Hello everyone. Earlier we discussed about the travel and tourism, and we also discussed about the components of the tourism, where we figure out the point of accessibility, which is very important in tourism sector because it connect one place to another places where tourists want to go. That we will go further for the uh, transportation role in tourism and what are the transport modes are available in tourism industry in India. Travel and tourism are inseparable, means where the travel and happening, the motive of tourism will happen. Okay, the accessibility is basic element of tourism. We can't imagine tourism without travel. Means if you want to go, the means if the tourism is happening, means traveling is happening, because the tourism is related to the going somewhere else. Okay, that when we going somewhere else, we doing a accessible way, we do travel. So the attraction, accessibility and accommodation is which are the very common part, or it is a common very phenomenal components of the tourism, and it accessibility which is determines the size of tourism industry. Okay, means size, how it size determine the size, because much more people are coming and going, means the peoples are involving in the tourism much more, that's gaining a size of tourism. The attraction may be best of its kind, means attraction can be limited, we can't change in that, means they are limited. Okay, and they are best of kind but not supported, any mean of transportation will remain useless. Means if there is no transportation to Agra, so we can see the Taj Mahal. Okay, so the beauty of Taj Mahal is useless if people can't see, and the accessibility is not there, the tourism industry will not raise in Agra. That we can take as an example how it is important. Transportation is the beginner of tourism business. Obviously, means beginner of tourism business means when we talk about transportation, the traveling is there, and whenever traveling is there, we have a modes, different modes for the travel. Okay, the transportation is the beginner of tourism business, which is brings tourists from one place to one place of origin to place of destination. And there are a number of examples where good accessibility converted a normal places into a world class attraction. Similarly, there are a number of examples where despite very unique nature and culture, attraction could not develop due to the lack of linkage, we can say the lack of accessibility, because of the mode of transport are not available in that area. So there are basic three type of transportation, means by air, by land and by water. Okay, when we talk about the lands, it become into two parts, roadways and railways. So it could be a four types of uh, four types of transportation are available: air transport, road transport, railway transport and water transport. Okay, when we talk first, we talk about the roads. Roads are the backbone of any country's economy, means roads show the connectivity from rural to urban area. So that could be a where the supply chain, we can say the from okay, connectivity means where every people can reach from one city to another city. So the road are backbone of the country's economy. They are most of important infrastructure of any places, as they provide door-to-door service. Okay, the link interior plays the main market. They don't need to be very heavy investment in comparison to railways, ship and aviation. Okay, the enhance of the economic value, goods bring uniformity and provide social integration, means the when the economies increase, okay, the price uniformity means the unique one, stable price will be there, and the uh, at that point the social integration provides much more, they become more and more important, the number of personal vehicles and increase day by day everywhere. India is the seventh largest country in the area with the second largest population, but due to several natural and human reasons such as a weird topography, we are talking about different locations, geographical variation, seasonal vagaries and unequal distribution of population, the roads are not sufficient in length and quality. In India, India had a 1,50,000 kilometer long surface and 2,43,000 kilometer long unsurfaced roads, and by the year of 1996 it became a huge in number. Okay, they're going to be 13 lakh 34,000 kilometer and 10 lakh 69,500 kilometer respectively. The important routes can be estimated the fact that they share routes of carrying passenger was 80 to 70% fare. Means how it is important, most of people means the traveling in India, the 80 to 65% are bearing a road. Okay, so there are four types of roads in India. First one is the national highway. The national highway is the most important and among the types of road. They link main city and capital of different states. Mean they connect between the major of cities and capitals. These roads are totally under control by the central government and their length is around 52,000 kilometers, which is only 2% length of the roads. Mean the national highways are completely on 2% of the total road coverage, but they carry 40% of the traffic. Means the most of running is happening on that roads, and about 20% national highways are single lane at several places and they are victims of floods and cyclones. However, their condition is satisfied. State highway, again, state highway as the name says, they connect the state cities to the connection. Means they are their location including a state cities. They are under the state governments and through the state public workers department handle and take care maintain that these roads are linking main city and district headquarters of states. However, their condition depends on the economy of the state and region concerned. It developing states are there in good condition while the poor state has a poor condition of roads. District roads, they are the under district administration, may be surfaced and unsurfaced. They are funded by the central government and the state government. Rural roads, these roads depend on the economy condition and social awareness of the places. They are constructed by the panchayat or okay, under national democratic. We can say the schemes run by the government like Pradhan Mantri Rural Road Program. This kind of program we try to build the roads in the village area or in a rural area. The role of roads in the tourism. There are several sections of roads in the India where the traveling is lifelong experience. Those sections of Golden Quadrille and corridors which are completed in India, like connecting with Punjab, Haryana and North people, Rajasthan. So they have shortened period of journey. Means the distance covered by the timing covered to reach the city to city get less. Okay, and the efficiency of vehicle get increased and increase of pleasure of journey get increased. The road linkage in the destination play important role due to the good condition of road. Okay, and also play a role in the economy also, because the supply which is very important to from manufacturing to placing of giving the availability to the consumer. Okay, and the coaches and cars are playing everywhere and the increase of tourism high. Now that's for in the next video we'll continue with the railways and waterways and again the airlines. So thank you for all.